find the area bounded by the curve mod x plus y is equal to 1 and the x-axis this is the question. Solution. So the given curve is mod x plus y is equals to 1. So here we will remove the modulus. So by the definition of modulus, mod x is equals to x if x is greater than or equal to 0, mod x is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. So this is the definition of the modulus. So if x is greater than or equal to 0, then the given curve becomes what? X plus y is equal to 1 straight line. That implies y is equal to 1 minus x. If x is less than 0, then mod x equal to minus x, therefore minus x plus y is equal to 1. That implies y is equal to x plus 1. So if x is greater than or equal to 0, the given line is y is equal to 1 minus x. If x is less than 0, the given line is y is equal to x plus 1. So now what we do is, now we will draw the graph. So we will draw the graph of this y is equals to, that is the given curve is, if you write y is equals to 1 minus x if x is greater than or equal to 0, y is equal to 1 plus x if x is less than 0. Now we will draw the graph of this one. So for that one, so this is y axis, this one is x axis. So for x is greater than or equal to 0, the line is y is equal to 1 minus x. So that is x plus y is equal to 1. Yes or no? For x is greater than or equal to 0, the curve is what? The line is y is equal to 1 minus x, that is x plus y is equal to 1 line. That is x intercept is 1 and y intercept is also 1. That is the line intersect the x axis at 1 comma 0 and y axis at 0 comma 1. This is 1 comma 0 and this one is 0 comma 1. So y is equal to 1 minus x only when x is greater than or equal to 0. That is this side. This side, the graph will be y is equal to 1 minus x. So the graph will be like this. The line will be this part only. So this is y is equals to 1 minus x. Now next one is for x is less than 0. See, for x is less than 0, the curve is y is equal to x plus 1. So for x is less than 0, y is equal to x plus 1. That is x minus y is equal to minus 1. That is x intercept is minus 1, y intercept is 1. The line will be this one. That is where x intercept minus 1 and y intercept is 1. So here x intercept is minus 1. So for x is less than 0, that is this side. This side, the line is what? X by minus 1, y by 1 equal to 1. That is this complete line. So this line. So this is y is equals to x plus 1. Now the question is what? Find the area bounded by mod x plus y is equal to 1 and the x axis. So the required area is this one, the area bounded by this curve and x-axis, that is the required area is this one. Here area bounded by is given, area bounded by this given curve and x-axis will be the shaded area. So now suppose this is A, this is O origin A, this one is B, this is -1, 0, call this as C. Now the required area is equal to, from this diagram, therefore required area is equals to the required area, this total area, this required area is equal to area of CAOC plus area OABO, the sum of these two areas. So required area is equal to area CAOC plus area OABO, the sum of these two areas. So now this area, to find this area, that is CAOC, here limits are what? Lower limit is -1, upper limit is 0, therefore -1 to 0 y dx. So what is the y here? Y is equal to x plus 1. Now for this area, limits are lower limit is 0 and upper limit is 1, therefore from 0 to 1 y dx. Here what is y? Y is equal to 1 minus x. So therefore the required area is equal to, so here limits, lower limit is -1, upper limit is 0, because this is 0, 0. So here the function is what? Y is equal to x plus 1, that is this is -1 to 0 x plus 1 dx plus, now second area, here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 1, here the curve is what? Y is equal to 1 minus x, therefore this is 1 minus x dx. So this is equals to integration of x is x square by 2 plus x -1 to 0 plus integration of 1 is x square by 2 from 0 to 1. So this is equals to, if you substitute upper limit it will be 0 minus, if you substitute lower limit 1 by 2 minus 1 plus here 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 0. So this is equals to here -1 by 2 minus plus 1 by 2, here plus 1 by 2. So this is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, this is 1, therefore 1 square units. So this is the required area. So and one more thing is, here if you observe this graph carefully, its y is equal to, this is the graph of, so this is the graph of, this complete graph is y is equal to 1 minus mod x graph, this is. So y is equal to 1 minus mod x is an even function. This is an even function. Therefore even function is symmetrical about y axis. Even function is symmetrical about y axis. Therefore you can write the required area, this total, it's symmetrical about y axis, that's why. So this area is equal to this area, these two areas are equal, that's why instead of calculating these two areas separately, directly you can write the required area is equals to 2 times of the total area is equal to 2 times of this area. So that is, you can write the required area as 2 times of, from 0 to 1 1 minus x dx. You can calculate this one, that is alternate method.